First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and write the following prompt. This is so we can create our videos. They gave us multiple story prompts, and we're going to ask them to write image prompts for the first one because that's the one that we liked. We told ChatGPT to make them in different characters and make it sure to make it colorful. Make a total of 5 image prompts, and it's all from the same story. And then we told ChatGPT to make the key elements and description together because I will create images. Here are the image prompts that we're going to use to create our videos. And now we're going to copy our image prompt. And now we're going to go on Leonardo AI and click on Create New. And then we're going to paste our video prompt. Make sure you type 3D Cell Pixar before pasting your prompt. And make sure to click on Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 for your fine-tuned model. And make sure to click on 9/16 for your image dimensions. And now click on Generate. Keep in mind, Leonardo AI does give you 150 free daily tokens that you guys can use to create your images and videos. So definitely take advantage since they are free. And here's our picture. Now we're going to convert it to a video. Click on motion, then keep the motion strength to 3, and then click on generate. And now we have our video. Now we're going to download our video, so we're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And since there is a watermark on our video, we're going to just remove it on our camera roll. Now we're going to go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that we created on Leonardo AI. And we're also going to put transitions in between the videos and pictures as well. If you wanted to add some audio, click on the audio button, or if you wanted to add your own voiceover, all you need to do is click on audio, then click on voiceover, and then start recording your voice. And then to download your video, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And thanks for watching!